Hi everyone. So this is the Alice in Wonderland miniature book. I recently discovered that the pop-up book can actually be made at the really small size. So this is about 6.5 centimeters. In the kit I also included a larger version of about 9 centimeters in case this is too difficult to assemble. So I used 230 grams paper for this matte photo paper. But I think it's a little too thick for it. I suggest using something about 150 grams. That should work well, maybe better, because this was quite difficult to fold. These are the elements that I cut out. Um, I actually cut out all of them with using just scissors, just the inside parts. For the inside parts, I'm going to use a precision knife. I suggest using smaller scissors for this because the elements are quite, well, they're not necessarily difficult to cut out, but you do have a little bit more precision with smaller scissors than with the normal, I don't know, larger scissors. So that's just what I chose for this. Okay, so as you can see, it's you don't need to be exact when cutting. I usually leave some a bleed around the elements. You can also use this type of paper trimmer for the pages, but scissors work just fine as well. For the inside parts, I did use a precision knife and the cutting mat. Because I think it's much easier, and to be honest, I don't see any other way. So I don't see how you could be using just scissors for this. And this should work quite fine. Okay, so I sometimes use a scoring board to make the folds, especially if I'm using matte photo paper, because if I just fold them by hand, the paper sometimes gets torn, and so I do like this better. But of course, you can fold them by hand. There's no problem there. So this is how the mechanisms look. If you'd like to see a video on how the book is assembled, I'll just put a link to it in the description, and there should a link should appear also on the screen now. Um, Now I'm just gluing all the pages together to start assembling the miniature. I think the mechanisms themselves are quite okay for the 6.5 size of the miniature. They are not that difficult to assemble. But with this thicker paper, this 230 grams, the book is quite thick, as you'll see, and you do like it could be thinner and it might be better, but of course it's your choice. Now I included two types of cover for this. You can just use this normal cover and put it around the book, or you can create a hardcover, and I'm gonna show you how. I use some cardboard. This is 1 millimeter cardboard, and all I did was glue those pieces of cardboard in the on the inside of the printed page, and that's about it. Just be sure to use good glue so that it can adhere well to the page. Then you can insert the book inside and just glue the outer pages. Here I'm showing you how to make a box for it, well, a folder for the miniature. And what I do suggest is that the small tabs be kept basically on the outside of the box, so that when you try to insert it, the miniature doesn't get stuck inside. That's the only suggestion there. Otherwise, it should all be good. I hope you like it and you have fun with this. Thank you.